This is an Inturai sensor, a passive radio receiver, small enough to mount under a standard drone. That's the entire payload. It only listens, never transmits, and nothing gets installed on the ground. Here's how it works. Every phone, watch, and pair of earbuds down there is broadcasting. Bluetooth advertisements, Wi-Fi probe requests, all looking for something to connect to. Inturai reads those broadcasts and pins every one to the map where the drone heard it. Which means one drone covers an entire site in a single pass. Look at the ground here. Over the housing next door, the same thing. Detections clustering along the road and between the buildings. Signal strength tells you how close each one was. Near, medium, or far. And this is the full record. Every device, its type, signal strength, and the second it was last seen. Modern phones rotate their addresses to stay private, and Inturai flags that automatically. And you can filter the whole set. Here's everything at the far edge of range. So, one flight, no ground equipment, nothing transmitting, and a live picture of every connected device across the area. Search and rescue. Perimeter security, crowd awareness, knowing whether a building is actually empty. Inturai, turning the signals already in the air into real-time presence intelligence.